Hello, cute kids! Welcome back to my channel, Color Book. Can you guess what we are going to draw today? Yes, Brinjal! Yay! Let's start drawing together. I will draw the leaves of Brinjal first. Next, draw the stem and draw a small circle on top of a stem. Now, I will carefully draw the brinjal in a nice and smooth shape. Then I will make a black outline around the brinjal, the leaves, the stem to make our drawing look neat and beautiful. Kids, do you know brinjal is a healthy vegetable? It is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Eating brinjal can help keep our body healthy. Time to color. I will make a purple outline inside the brinjal. Now color the brinjal with purple. Eating colorful vegetable every day is a great habit. Kids, can you guess which color I will use next? Yes, green color. Color the leaves with green. Then I will color the stem with green too. Our beautiful brinjal drawing is ready. I hope you enjoyed this easy step-by-step brinjal drawing. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you never miss my new drawing videos. Till then, bye-bye.